Hello YouTubers, what's going on? I want to show you guys something. Check this out. I just got this package from Temu. I couldn't believe the size, because when you see what I ordered, you're going to realize how the hell did they put all that stuff in this one little bag? Right? Take a look at the picture. I'm going to put the picture up here what I ordered. All that stuff you see up here is supposedly in this bag. So I'm going to open this bag in front of you guys. I just thought this would be a fun video because I can't believe the amount of stuff that I ordered, and it's all in this one little bag. Let's find out. Let's see the quality of this stuff. This is my third order from Temu. And I'll be honest with you, most of the stuff, it's kind of on a low end kind of quality scale, you know. It's not the highest quality, but the stuff is so cheap, man. If you look at all the items here, this all came to like, I think it was $16 or something. I don't know how they do it. But let's open it up. Let's see what I got. I just bought some random stuff. Didn't need any of it. But sometimes you get these coupons, you're like, wow. All right, let's see if I can open this up without puncturing one of the t-shirts you just saw there. Let's see. All right, you're watching this in real time. I'm doing it right now. Let's see what we got in this bag. Oh, maybe I can cut it more. Let's see. I don't want to cut the t-shirts. Let's see if Temu delivered. Like I told you, I just bought some random things. Well, oh, looks like everything's in here. I don't know how they do it. All right, what is this now? All right, this is supposed to be the, I think they call it the high quality fashion t-shirt. Let's see. Hey, is this not polyester? Because so far I've been ordering shirts that say cotton, and I got like 3 of them so far, and they're polyester. Looks pretty nice. Let me see the size. Yeah, it's supposed to be it's not bad, guys. The fabric feels like, is this cotton or polyester? I can't even tell. This might be cotton. I don't know if it's 100% cotton, but all right, not bad. Actually, it looks like it looks like it's a real size. All right. I think I paid, I don't know, $4, $6 for this shirt. All right, on to the next item. Like I told you guys, this is all impulse buys. I didn't need any of this stuff. All right, next item. I bought these for my girl. She didn't need these either, but if you look at the picture on Temu, they look so damn comfortable. It looks like you're walking on clouds. Let's see. Wow. I think she's going to like them. I forgot how much I paid for them. You guys see in the picture I put up. But yeah, they ain't bad. The quality's not bad. They look just like the picture. I mean, they're a little bent out of shape because they squeezed everything in this little tiny bag. But not bad. That's supposed to be her size. What do you guys think? They're not bad. They're not bad looking quality. It's just that, you know, like I told you, it's out of shape a little bit. They're supposed to look like that. I guess it's like a kind of a slip-on. All right. What else we got in here? I bought a couple things from my buddy, Runaway Electric. Got him a t-shirt. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Is this the t-shirt? Oh, this could be it. He's into horror films. He's into all those psycho killers. So I bought him this shirt. Let's see. Let's see. Ah, the quality ain't bad. Yeah, quality's all cotton. And you guys can tell by the size. Size small. That's definitely not me. Yeah, not bad. Check it out. What do you got? Jason Voorhees. We got Scream. We got Freddy Krueger. We got Michael Myers. And I don't know that guy. The clown guy? I forgot the clown guy's name. The Boys of, what is it? The Boys of Fall. Pretty cool shirt. I think you'll like it. Good quality fabric. Wow. So far, 2, all right. So far, we got 3 good items. Good quality. Not bad. And if you guys are wondering, where's the e-bikes and the drones and the scooters? You guys know I do that too. But on the description of my YouTube channel, you guys will see that I also do review on different products. So this is one of those days where it's not e-bikes. Oh, by the way, I got 2 more bikes coming, guys. I bought 2 more. They're coming, I think they're coming, I don't think they're coming this week. I think it's next week. It was supposed to be this week. There's some kind of delay in the shipment. So I bought 2 more stretch cruisers. I'm trying to collect those now. I'm really into it. Really sharp looking. All right, on to the next item. Let's go. Let's see. All right, what do we got? I'll take this one. What is this? No. You gotta be kidding. All right. So far we got 3, right? 3 good items. This is supposed to be mirrors, guys, for my electric bike. Look how small they are. I didn't know what the hell they were. They look like dog tags. Are you kidding me? You can't get all winners, right, guys? See, the description, that's the only thing on Temu. Let me let you guys know something. When you buy these on Temu, see, look, made in China. I guess they're mirrors, but I don't know where the hell I'm going to put them. They're very, very small. Maybe they'll work out good. Who knows? We'll do another review when I put them on my bike. But if you go on Temu, not every item for sale has a description. Like, they have a small description, but they don't go into detail with the dimensions. Like, they didn't give the dimension of these mirrors. I just thought they were standard size mirrors. As you can see, they're not. See how they clip on? It is what it is. I mean, I think I only paid $3.96, something like that, for the mirrors. It's very cheap. But if they do their job, we'll see. I mean, maybe I bought these because they clip on. They're just a simple clip, no tools. So if they do the job, they show the cars behind me, and it's a winner. All right, on to the next item. Let's put these over here. I'll put them back in here, actually. All right. What else do we got? Oh, yeah, a couple of things in here. Okay. You guys saw this. I have a previous video of this. I think I did a short video. This is another bicycle horn. This was also a winner. This thing is very, very loud. It costs next to nothing. I think it was a couple bucks. Maybe $4. I can't remember the exact price, but very loud bicycle horn. It's chargeable. It clips onto your bike with no tools. This is a winner. So far, everything's good except for the mirrors. But I shouldn't say that because I'll give them an honest review once I put them on my bike. If they work, they work. We'll see. All right, let's see. What do we got here? Oh, okay. I don't know if a lot of you guys know this. Check this out. This is for those of you with electric bikes. If you guys have an electric bike, this is universal fit. This goes over the twist throttle for a scooter or electric bike. So when you're holding on, you see how it hits your palm there? You don't have to do the twist just no more. You kind of like, it's kind of like a trigger for your palm. You don't have to do the whole shifter. Or you can use your finger. You can use your finger. This goes over the twist throttle. And you can use your palm or just your thumb, whatever you want to do. It transforms any twist throttle on a bike throttle for an easy trigger. All right, that's not bad. This was like $1.29, guys. Something very cheap. But if you go on Amazon, these are selling for like $9. And I'm not knocking Amazon. I love Amazon. I use Amazon more than anything. But I guess the saying is you get what you pay for. Oh wait. Okay, got another shirt in there. Okay, this is a ring. Let me show you guys. I actually got this for free. If you buy certain things on Temu, you get things for free. I bought this for my nephew, Runaway Electric. You guys seen him on my videos? Yeah, it's like a skull ring, like a skull motorcycle ring. I think he'll like it. E-bike ring, whatever you want to say. It's pretty cool. I didn't know I had another shirt in here. I don't remember buying another shirt. Is that it? Yep, that's all the items, guys. That's all Temu. That little bag. Pretty impressive. All right, let's see. Let's see what t-shirt this is. Uh-oh. Is this... Okay. Now we're back to the polyester I was telling you about. This is not cotton. The description said cotton, but it's not cotton. Let's see what it is. Oh, okay. I remember what this is. Check this out. I'll still wear it. You guys remember the movie Friday? Huh? With Ice Cube and Chris Tucker. Check it out. Remember the ice cream truck? Big Worm. Big Worm's Ice Cream, Los Angeles, California. What you want? What you want? What you got? You guys remember that? When a kid asked for the chili Cheetos, or something like that. He goes, "There's no more, fat boy," or something he says. Good movie. Big Worms. I thought I'd have that. It's a pretty funny shirt. I just wish it was on cotton. It's like a polyester fabric. But it is what it is. That's why it's so cheap, guys. You sweat in these shirts. I got extra large. I wear extra large. But, you know what? This might be true to size. You never know. It's a hit and a miss. Because sometimes, I don't know if you know this or not, if it lists different sizes, sometimes they go by China size. And a China size extra large is small, is like a United States medium. It's very tiny. So I ordered double X in this because I was afraid it would be China size. But this is actually true to size. It's actually very, very big. But it's okay. I think it'll still fit. I thought it's a pretty cool logo from the movie Friday. Big Worms. All right, guys. That's it for the video. Let me show you guys. Let me see. Put the bikes up. Let me see here. If I can put pictures of the bikes up. How you guys doing? Anyway, like I told you, I got 2 bikes coming. They're coming probably next week. And also the Dragonfly, they reached out to me and to arrange shipping. I was unaware. I was unaware that there's a shipping cost included. When I first did the Indiegogo campaign, probably about a year and a half ago, I bought that Dragonfly. I didn't see that shipping is not included. So they gave me a good shipping rate. That's all paid for. It's supposed to be shipped out on the 15th. So we'll see. And also to let you know, I'm going to be at the Electrify Expo at the Nassau Coliseum by Long Island, New York. I'll be there probably Sunday. I was going to go 2 days, but I think I'm just going to stick to the 1 day. Me and Runaway Electric will be there. I'll show you guys. I'll make a video. We'll walk around, show you some stuff. All right. Anyway, yeah, that's it. You guys saw the Temu stuff. Temu is a winner so far. I mean, there's some good items and some bad items. You got to use your discretion. But yeah, guys, check this out. I can and I will. My niece runs this. This is called All In. It's like how would you say it? She goes around and she kind of like inspires athletes that are going through rough times and stuff like that. But that's about it today. Hey, like my new Italia hat. You guys ever see that movie Beer League? How much of a Guido can you possibly be? That's a line from that movie. Check it out. Very funny movie. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. 2 more bikes coming next week. The Dragonfly should be here this time because I actually got the confirmation, not the shipping yet, but the confirmation that it will be shipped out. We'll see. The 15th. Hopefully they hold their word. But so far they've been very good customer service. Anyway, this is another product review of Temu. And we'll be back onto e-bikes very soon and drones and scooters. All right, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. All right.